Just throw alcohol in the soap and you will thank me. I stopped spending money. To start today's tip, we'll need a bar of soap, and we'll grate it all together. We'll use the thicker side of the grater to do that. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Julius Presbitero from Philippines. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. After that, we will transfer the zest to a pan. Then, we'll add a cup of sugar. And we mix the ingredients until they get that look. I use this tip whenever I see my pots getting dirtier. Then we'll add 500 milliliters of water. And we mix the ingredients very well until they reach this consistency. Your pots will be very pleased to have made this tip. Have you ever used sugar as a cleaner? After that, we'll need 200 milliliters of alcohol. I'm sure you'll thank me after using this tip. And again, we will mix the ingredients very well. This tip can be used to remove burns and fats that get stuck in the pan after frying. Then we'll transfer the mixture to a glass platter. Do not forget to use a little water for the mixture to work as well as possible. And we left the tip resting for 10 hours. After this time, the tip will be ready for use. But first, let's use a knife to separate the tip into pieces for use. Do not worry about the amount of items used. This mixture will yield a lot just using a small amount. Just take a little of the mixture with the sponge that will last many washes of utensils on your dishes. Now, come with me that I will show methods of how to use the tip today. The alcohol will help highlight the smell of the soap. For sure you will love this mixture. I use it myself in my dishes. After I started using this mixture, the cleaning of my dishes became more pleasant and fragrant. We should save the other bars for future use, thus lasting a long time using the hint. Thank you for watching this video so far. I hope you enjoyed it, and tell me the result you had in your home. See you in the next video. Bye.